friends, once again I'm back. It's me Aman. So today topic is the polynomial. So first of all we will discuss about the polynomials, then we will check the degree and variables. So I'm just taking here, let px is the polynomial in x. Px is the polynomial in x. Then what? Px is equal to x to the power 1. Here it is nothing, is only 1. So this is what? 1 degree. 1 degree polynomial. Okay, 1 degree polynomial. It means that the highest power of the variable, it's called the degree. The highest power of the variable, it's called the degree. So 1 degree polynomial. Now it's called as linear equation, linear polynomial. Okay, it's a linear polynomial. Now next thing is what? Px is equal to ax square bx plus c. I'm taking a general equations here. So ax square bx plus c. In this case, as you can see, this equation is the one variable, but the degree is 2. The highest power of the variable is 2. So you can say here, this is the 2 degree polynomial. Okay, we can also know, we can say like what? Quadratic polynomial. Okay, let's see, it's quadratic polynomial. Okay, now if you will consider px is equal to ax cubic plus bx squared plus cx plus d. In this cases, you can see here all of the only one variable, but the highest power is 3, so we can call cubic polynomial. Okay, cubic polynomial. So basically we are studying here 3. First one is the 1 degree polynomial, 2 degree polynomial, and cubic polynomials within a single variable. You can see there is a single variable of x. Okay, so further we will continue. We will check the geometrical meaning of the zeros polynomial. So before to go into geometrical meaning, we will check the zeros polynomial. What we think about the zeros polynomial. Okay. So let's see here. Px is equal to x. I'm taking an example is px is equal to 2x plus 5. Okay, in which we just take any real number. Take any real number. So real number I'm taking k. Okay, which one is replacing by x? So we will put x is equal to k. So what is the px is equal to 2x plus 5, where k is equal to 0. If it is zeros polynomial, it should be satisfied the condition. So what? K is equal to 2x plus 5. Then what? pk is equal to 2 into k plus 5. Again, as the pk is equal to 2k plus 5. When you put the value of 0, this will be 0. So 0 is equal to 2k plus 5. Then k is equal to what? You will get minus 5 upon 2. So this is the zeroth polynomial value. Like k is equal to minus 5 upon 2. How to check? We will put it here. Let's check. Okay, check. What? 2x plus 5 is equal to pk. So we will put here p minus 5 upon 2 is equal to 2 into minus 5 upon 2 plus 5. 2 cancel here. It is become minus 5 plus 5. It's p minus 5 upon 2. So p minus 5 upon 2 is equal to 0. So hence proved this is the zeroth polynomials of the equation 2x plus 5. Okay. Now further we will study about the geometrical meaning of the zeroth polynomial. So we have to study about the graph. Okay. Let's see. This is the x-axis, y-axis, x dash and y dash. Basically, when we will talk about that any zeroth polynomial, then we will find the zeros. So I'm taking here y is equal to px. If I'm taking here y is equal to px, and we need to find the polynomials of zeros polynomial of px. Zeros polynomial of px. So px should be 0. Px should be 0. Okay. So I'm just erasing this for further continue next hour. Okay. So here I can say px should be 0. Then remember one thing, on x-axis y is equal to 0, on y-axis x is equal to 0. Okay. So in this cases what we should get, we have to find here x is equal to 0 because of the zeroth polynomial. So on x-axis y is equal to 0. It should be 0 when on x-axis. So we will check the each point which is lie on a x-axis. So in your exercise there is so many question is given by in a graph form. Exercise 2.1 where I have mentioned is like this. Okay, some question is mentioned like this. Here you can check it the 2 points on x-axis. If on x-axis, then y is equal to 0. Then what? Px is equal to y. Px is equal to 0. Because of the y is equal to 0. Again we are considering here like this. Okay, I'm just taking another example. So again we will consider only on the x-axis. On the x-axis, how many points are there? 2 points are there. Okay, so there is the 2 zeros polynomial. There is also 2 zeros polynomial. If I'm considering this is the parallel line. This is not intersecting on x-axis, only intersecting on y-axis. Only intersecting on y-axis. So we didn't get any no zeros. There is no zeros. Okay. So let's come on the further exercise. Okay. Exercise 2.1. Exercise 2.1 where a figure is given. This is the x, y, that's x dash and y. So basically there is one thing is given parallel to x-axis on y. So as I told you, if the function is here y is equal to px, then what? Y should be 0, then px is equal to 0, then it will be lie now. So here there is no zeros because of y is not 0. There is, you will get some value. You will get some value. So basically there is no zeros. Okay. There is a, if you check that the another questions, there are so many questions is given. Another question is like this. It's like this. Okay. This is, so in this cases again we will consider on only x-axis. So there is 1 zeros, and then another one is like this. Okay, this is like this. You will check it. So there is 1, 2 and 3. This is the question number 3. I am not considering this now. This is the question number 3 where what? How many points? 1, 2 and 3. So 3 points are there. So 3 point is the 3 zeros. Okay. Similarly you can solve this. Now we will go next exercise. Exercise 2.2. If you have any query, then please ask to me. We will solve it. Okay.